Check out our newest update. We now have a negative line item or items for invoices. This enables businesses to include negative priced items within invoices, allowing them to capture information on advances, returns, buybacks, or even those credits you want to give your clients. And this is going to help with both compliance and legal purposes. Let's talk about those benefits. First, this is great for compliance and legal requirements. Businesses can now accurately document advances, returns, or even buybacks within invoices. This is also going to give you advanced flexibility with those invoices. The ability to include negative priced items provides your business with greater flexibility in invoice creation. I'm just going to chime in here with a personal story. When I am discounting services or I am giving some type of a credit, I like to make it crystal clear that this is a give and that I want my clients to know that I'm doing that. So I love it for that reason personally. This is also going to improve your financial tracking because your business can now maintain comprehensive financial records. So let's talk about the practical use. So a small business owner might need to issue an invoice for product returns. With the negative priced items feature, they can include the refunded amount as a negative priced item in the invoice, ensuring accurate documentation of the return transaction for compliance purposes. Now, let me show you exactly where that is. So this is going to be under our payments feature under invoices. To create a new invoice, you're going to go ahead and click plus new. Now what you're going to see is the discount. Add a discount. So this can be a percentage or an amount off. And go ahead and save once you're done. Now you can preview that invoice and you can see that discounted line item. This feature empowers businesses to meet compliance and legal requirements by accurately documenting advances, returns, or buybacks, thereby enhancing invoice flexibility and ensuring precise financial tracking for streamlined business operations. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.